Welcome to our tutorial on how to remove your tag from a comment by date on Facebook using your PC. This process is straightforward and will help you manage your online presence more effectively. First, open Facebook and click on your profile photo located at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to your profile, where you can access various settings and features. Next, navigate to Settings and Privacy, and then select Activity Log. This section allows you to view and manage all your activities across Facebook, including comments where you've been tagged. Under your Facebook activity, click on Activity you're tagged in. This option will display all the posts and comments where you've been mentioned or tagged. Now, click on Posts and Comments you're tagged in to view a detailed list of these activities. At the top of the page, you'll see a Date option. Click on it to filter the comments by date. Choose the specific period you're interested in, and then click Save Changes. This step helps you focus on comments from a particular time frame. Once you've filtered the comments, find the specific one from which you want to remove your tag. Next to the comment, you'll see three dots. Click on them to open a menu. From this menu, select Remove Tags. You will be prompted to confirm this action, so click Remove Tags again to complete the process. By following these steps, you can easily remove tags from comments on Facebook, helping you maintain control over your online presence and avoid unwanted notifications. This feature is especially useful if you've been tagged in comments that are no longer relevant, or if you simply want to declutter your activity log. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tips on managing your social media profiles effectively.